Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So today we're going to look at Eureka Crystal Beads Midwinter Beading Challenge beads. So here they are. So for those of you who haven't heard of their challenges, they did one previously in autumn, which I took part in, and it was so much fun. So what they do is they choose a certain amount of YouTube designers, or I guess maybe any beading designers, and send them a mystery package of beads. Here we go. And we're supposed to take those beads, make something, and post a video on it. And what happens is whoever wins, so they choose a winner, and whoever wins gets for this one in particular, will get a $25 gift certificate to Eureka Crystal Beads. But the twist is that I'm going to give that gift certificate to one of my viewers. So don't forget to watch the video. So the video will be posted, the actual project video will be posted on February 18th. So come back to my channel on February 18th and, see what the project is. So I'm also going to give you a link to all the project beads that are in this bag. So if you want to join me for the project, or you want the beads in advance, or you actually just want the beads, then you can. So I'm going to open this bag and we're going to get a look at those beads. Okay, so here are all the beads and here's my list. So I'm just going to push the beads aside and we'll go through it one by one. So we're all getting the same beads, everybody who's participating. So this is going to be fun. So I'm going to start out with some fire polish beads. And these are 3mm check fire polish beads, and they are gorgeous. 50 beads to the strand, metallic suede blue. One of my absolute favorite colors. Love it. Gorgeous. I love the winter color theme. It's gorgeous. I'll pull in close so we can see everybody. Then we have a couple of toggle clasps. These are antique silver plated, 19 by 15mm. And sort of your standard toggle clasp, but something that I use so much of. They're perfect. Okay. And then we have some Chinese crystal rondelles. Let's grab those. Oh, these are so pretty. 4 by 3mm. Storm opal iris. Look at that. Let me put it right here. Look at that. Doesn't that look just like a stormy winter sky with a little with like little sparkles of sun coming through? Look at that. Gorgeous. Love, love, love. This looks like I don't know. I didn't see the amount of beads on this strand, but I think it's probably maybe they're 140 or 120 bead strand. I could be wrong, but there are a lot of beads there. That is gorgeous. Love it. Teacup beads. Oh, that's fun. So I have several of these I haven't used yet. These are 2 by 4mm check glass beads, suede gold crystal, 2.5-inch tube. And it is a crystal, and it has a suede gold finish. It's very subtle. In fact, I don't really see that much of a gold finish, but maybe just slightly. It is gorgeous. It looks like ice crystals or snow. Looking outside right now, we have snow on the ground, so I'm sort of into the snow colors right now in the winter. It's gorgeous. So these are pretty. I'm going to have to incorporate those. I don't know what my design's going to be yet, but I'm going to try to incorporate as many of the beads and the unusual ones as possible. So then we have some Toho treasures. Okay, so we have some cylinder beads. Move down a little bit. There we go. So I love a good cylinder bead, which means I'm hoping that we will probably be doing something with the bezel or peyote. And this is high metallic matte Mediterranean blue. I do see a crystal over there in my pile. Look at that color. Gorgeous. So these colors are, they're right up my alley. These colors I love and I use a lot of. Gorgeous. Love it. It's a beauty. Look at the color story so far. Are you in love? I know I am. Okay. Let's move on. And we have some Charlottes. Oh, yay. Okay. I'm always bugging you to get Charlottes. Here are Toho. These are Toho Charlottes. Now, I have not used the Japanese Charlottes yet. I usually use the check, but these are beautiful. And you see these little pinpoints of light when I move my hand? That's that one little facet catching the light. Isn't that cool? It's subtle, but like when you're sitting in a restaurant having dinner and there are low lights and the light just hits something that has a Charlotte in it, it's magical. All right, let's move on. So I love that there are Charlottes here. So yes, we are going to do a bezel because I see that stone coming up. Krakowski 13 by 18 millimeter. Let me pull out a little bit. Fancy stone, and it is in an octagon. And let me shine it up for you. So Capri blue. That is beautiful. And again, look at the quality on the stone. I'm so impressed. I'm so happy about it. Gorgeous color. Look at this combo. Oh, look at the bezel we're gonna make. Oh, it's gonna be so pretty. All right, and then we have 2-hole nib bits. And these are 6 by 5 millimeter check glass beads, Twilight Aquamarine. Gorgeous. Do love the color names. I mean, it gets me every time. We have Twilight Aquamarine, we have Capri Blue, Metallic Cosmos, Mediterranean Blue, Storm Opal Iris. How can you not want these beads? Just the color names are just so amazing. And they're gorgeous. So here's your little nib bit. So we're going to really try to use, all of these beads, and especially the, sort of oddly shaped ones, or the different, the shaped beads, because, I just think we should. So we'll see what we come up with. So here's the other one, and let me put this tube out also. These are beautiful. All right, so I'm absolutely loving this color story. Don't forget, come back on February 18th to see the project video. It will be a tutorial on whatever I create. Like I said, I'm gonna try to use as many beads as possible to make something really beautiful for you. If you want to order the beads, they'll be listed below. You can order them in advance, or whatever you like, or order some of them if you happen just to love the stone, or 1 or 2 of them. You can do that, whatever you like. All right, so I want to thank you for joining me, and I will see you on February 18th. Take care, bye-bye.